Picture this, you're stranded in the middle of nowhere. No signal, no Wi-Fi, your iPhone is a useless brick, your Samsung might as well be a paperweight. And then, one phone still powers on. Not only working, but charging itself in the sunlight, connecting to satellites above, and keeping you online when the rest of the world goes dark. That phone is the Tesla Pi. At just $273, it's not just a smartphone. It's a survival device, a power generator, and possibly the start of a revolution that could end the era of fragile, overpriced devices. Today, we're going deep into the Tesla Pi phone, its hidden features, its 10-year lifespan, and the real reason Elon Musk built it. Stick around, because by the end, you'll understand why this isn't just another phone. It's a declaration of war against the entire tech industry. So make sure you hit subscribe and drop a comment. Would you replace your iPhone or Samsung with a Tesla Pi? Segment 1, The Energy Revolution, 2 minutes. The Tesla Pi isn't powered by the same old lithium battery you're used to. Instead, it's designed around a hybrid energy system that changes the game. Most phones die in a day. The Tesla Pi? It uses solar charging built directly into its body. Imagine leaving your phone out in sunlight and watching it recharge, no cables, no power banks. But that's not all. Tesla engineers built what they call an energy capsule inside. Think of it like a tiny fusion of a power bank and advanced capacitor. It can store huge amounts of energy quickly, charge almost instantly, and last far longer than lithium cells. And here's the shocking part, this isn't about lasting one day or two. The Pi phone is designed to keep working for 10 years. That means no endless cycle of upgrades, no planned obsolescence. For once, a tech company actually built something meant to last. Segment 2, Starlink built-in, 3 minutes. Now let's talk about the feature that scares Apple and Samsung the most, Starlink connectivity built right into the phone. Starlink is Tesla's global satellite internet. Thousands of satellites circling Earth, beaming internet everywhere, even in deserts, jungles, oceans, or during natural disasters. Other smartphones need towers. Tesla Pi? It skips the middleman. You connect directly to the satellites. Think about what that means. No more dead zones. Internet in the middle of nowhere. And during disasters, when normal networks collapse, you're still connected. This isn't just convenience, it's survival. Imagine a flood, a blackout, or a war zone. While everyone else loses contact, Tesla Pi users stay online. Segment 3, Built for Survival, 3 minutes. Now let's address durability. Drop your iPhone once? Glass shatters. Samsung? Same story. But the Tesla Pi is designed with sapphire glass and titanium alloy, materials tough enough to survive conditions that would destroy other phones. It's waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and engineered like a piece of aerospace tech. Why? Because Musk didn't design this for fashion or luxury. He designed it for survival. Take it camping. Take it into the desert. Drop it on concrete. It's built to endure. And the kicker? The battery isn't just long-lasting, it's smart energy adaptive. It manages power use so efficiently that in standby, it can last for months without dying. Segment 4, The 10-year lifespan, 3 minutes. Here's where the Pi phone completely destroys the competition. Your iPhone lasts 2 to 3 years before the battery fails or Apple throttles performance. Your Samsung? Same thing. Planned obsolescence. The Tesla Pi flips the script. With its modular design, parts can be replaced or upgraded. The energy capsule is rated for a decade of use. The software? Built to stay fast without forced slowdowns. And here's the crazy part, it's priced at $273. That's less than a quarter of what Apple charges, and you won't need to upgrade every 2 years. Over 10 years, you save thousands. This isn't just a phone, it's an economic rebellion against big tech's endless upgrade treadmill. Segment 5. Why Tesla built it, 2 minutes. So why did Elon Musk greenlight this project? Think about it, Tesla builds cars powered by solar and batteries. SpaceX launches rockets powered by satellites. Starlink delivers global internet. The Tesla Pi is the bridge between all of Musk's industries. A device that connects the car, the home, the satellites, and the grid into your pocket. It's not just a phone. It's a Tesla ecosystem portal. And if this works, Apple, Samsung, and even telecom giants should be terrified. Because this doesn't just sell a phone. It sells independence from phone carriers, from power companies, from the upgrade cycle. Segment 6, the big picture plus outro, 2 minutes. So here's the bottom line. The Tesla Pi is not just a smartphone. It's a satellite communicator, a solar-powered generator, a 10-year survival tool, and a direct challenge to every phone company in the world. For $273, it's not only a bargain, it's a revolution. So I'll ask you this, would you trust a Tesla Pi as your only phone for the next 10 years? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm curious how many of you are ready to ditch Apple and Samsung for good. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more future tech deep dives, and hit the bell so you don't miss the innovations that are reshaping our world. Because this is just the beginning.